Hi, I'm Malik Hamza. Today I'm sharing a remarkable story about how GPT helped make a school event extraordinary. Let's dive into how Mohammed Javed turned a simple task into one of the best events ever.
One day, a teacher at the school named Mohammed Javed and gave him a crucial task for Defense Day. This was no ordinary task. It was a significant responsibility that required meticulous planning and dedication. She requested him to plan the entire program, including speeches, not recitations, and other performances. The event was to honor the sacrifices made by the armed forces, and it needed to be perfect.
Javed accepted the challenge with a determined heart. He knew the importance of the event and was ready to put in the hard work. He assured her that he would deliver his best, promising to make the event memorable and impactful. Javed's confidence and commitment were evident as he began to outline his plans. To ensure the program was outstanding, Mohammed Javed turned to GPT for help. He knew that leveraging advanced AI could provide unique insights and innovative solutions that he might not have considered on his own. He asked GPT for suggestions on creating a memorable Defense Day event. Mohammed wanted the event to be not just informative, but also engaging and inspiring for all attendees.
GPT provided him with several creative ideas for organizing speeches, not recitations, and overall event planning. The AI suggested unique themes, interactive activities, and even helped draft compelling speeches that would captivate the audience. Mohammed was impressed by the depth and creativity of GPT's suggestions, which made the event planning process much smoother and more efficient.
Javed implemented the ideas suggested by GPT, incorporating innovative elements into the program. He meticulously organized the event, making sure every detail was perfect. On Defense Day, the event was a huge success, hailed as one of the best the school had ever seen. The atmosphere was electric, with students and teachers alike marveling at the technological wonders on display. The robots performed flawlessly, captivating the audience with their precision and capabilities.
The program went off without a hitch, thanks to Javed's dedication and the valuable input from GPT. Countless hours of coding and testing had finally paid off, resulting in a seamless and engaging experience for everyone involved. The collaboration between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence was truly remarkable.
Yeah, it was really something special. The children were especially thrilled, interacting with the robots and learning about their functions. The applause from the audience was a testament to the hard work and creativity that went into making the event a memorable one.
This story showcases how GPT can be a powerful tool in educational settings, helping to elevate the quality of school events and tasks. Mohammed Javed's success is a testament to the potential of AI in enhancing our work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story and found it insightful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.